Hello girls, welcome to the third episode in a series of episodes in which we practice answering the different types of questions in your exam. Today we are tackling a very important branch, which is the composition. But before this, remember that the time allotted for your exam is 3 hours. Please try to make use of these 3 hours so that you can answer all the questions and get the highest mark. For the writing, you will be given a topic as usual, and you have to write a report about this topic. But before writing the report, you have to write an outline. The writing is out of 120 marks, 20 for the pre-writing and 100 for the topic. We have got some rubrics for checking the composition. For the pre-writing technique, you get, or the outline, you get 20. For the exposition of ideas, paragraphing, and number of sentences, you get 70 marks. Spelling and structure, you get 20 marks. And the handwriting, spacing, and punctuation, you get 10 marks. So the total mark is 120. 2 marks will be deducted from the total mark for changing the format. You have to write the form of a report. And if your topic is off point, you get 0. Let's start. Attempt the following topic. Cameras have witnessed great changes, especially in the last 2 decades. Plan and write a report of 14 sentences, 160 words, about cameras in the past and nowadays and their different uses. What is the first step you have to do? Great. You have to decide the ideas you are going to discuss. The first idea is cameras in the past in comparison with cameras nowadays. So this is the first thing you will discuss. And then the second idea, the different uses of cameras. So we have to use these ideas to write the report. But remember, if you want to write the outline, never use a spider diagram. So never use a spider diagram for outlining your topic. This is totally wrong. If I want to write the outline, it is divided like this. The introduction, it should be a general statement, and then for the body, we have the first idea. You have supporting ideas, which should be parallel to each other, and then we have the second idea, supporting ideas. Then we have the conclusion, and in the conclusion, you can write your opinion, suggestion, advice, a summary, as you like to end or to conclude your topic. For this topic, I have prepared a sample for you. For the introduction, for example, here we need a general statement, so you can say the camera is a useful device. And then we start with the body. The first idea is the camera in the past, and then we have the supporting ideas. And I told you that the supporting ideas should be parallel to each other. You can start the supporting ideas with the gerund or the infinitive, or you can use full sentences, but these sentences should be very brief. I chose to start with the gerund, so being heavy to carry, having large lenses, having low resolution, being very expensive. The second idea is the camera nowadays, and again, don't forget the parallelism between the sentences or the supporting ideas, being light and portable, having small lenses, having high resolution, and being cheaper. Third idea, the uses of cameras, and we have many uses for the camera. We have chatting on the internet, checking on speedy cars, making surgeries, you can say, making films and programs. And for the conclusion, you can finish your report with advice, opinion, suggestion, even a summary. I chose here to give my opinion, so I think the camera has kept our memories alive. Now, what should we do? We should use all these ideas to form a report. Remember, you have to write more than one paragraph. So you can write the introduction in a separate paragraph, the first idea in a separate paragraph, second idea in a separate paragraph, third idea in a separate paragraph, and then you write the conclusion in a separate paragraph if you want to. But the least number of paragraphs is 2 paragraphs. Okay, so you can use these ideas to form a report of your own, and I wish you all the best in your exam. We are done with the 3rd episode, and see you inshallah in the next episode, in which we are going to tackle the comprehension. The best of luck, my dear students. Goodbye.